Hey guys, welcome back to Wake Up with Winnie. I am your host Winnie, and if you're new, hola for the first time, make sure you're subscribed to my videos for more videos just like this. And if you're returning, hola, it's been a while. Not really, but you know, I miss you guys. So today's video is going to be a makeup chit chat. I actually asked some of my Instagram followers this past week, what video do you guys want to see? And if you're not following me on Instagram, it is at WiniOhkay, so you guys can get some updates on me, and whenever I post, I do a lot of polls. I love that. But you guys wanted to do a makeup chit chat today, and I said new backdrop means a new video, and new video means new content for you. So I am extremely excited to start this video. Let's get it on. Makeup chit chat is going to be some new products that I've seen at the store, and I wanted to do like a semi-review but like a demo with them. So I did record me using the products that I'm showing you today, a couple of them, so you guys can see, you know, pretty much how it works. But I wanted to do some reviews and give you guys some yays or nays on these products that I bought. So the first one goes to ColourPop. I have this love for ColourPop because it's so affordable. The price marks for these products are like $5, $6, and they're really inexpensive for someone who's starting off makeup or someone who does makeup and just doesn't want to spend an arm and leg on makeup. I usually go to ColourPop for a lot of things, whether it's lip products, face products. I love them. So I went to the drugstore to pick them up because they're now sold at Ulta. Yay! And I purchased a brow pencil and I purchased some concealer from ColourPop. Now the brow pencil is marketed at $5, which is amazing, and the concealer is $6, which is amazing too. So I actually used this brow product, which I will show you here. I used it today on my brows. So I got the color Brunette, and this is the packaging that it comes in. It's right here. It's called Brow Boss. That's what they call their brow product. And I got the color Brunette right here. I don't know if it'll focus, but that's the color that I got. I used it today on my brows, and I think that I really like them. It's pretty much your everyday brow pencil. Like, I'm not saying anything is like really special to this brow pencil, but the price point is special to me in my heart, because girl, $5. So it comes with a spoolie on the side, which is really good if you want to do your brows on the go, or just you want to do your brows in general. The spoolie helps brush the hairs and tame the hairs in place so that don't look crazy. And the brow pencil is retractable, yay! And it actually goes back. Some people probably don't know or do know, but I used to have a love for MAC brow pencils, but their retractables don't retract back, so they had to go. But this is actually, I want to say, a good dupe for the MAC brow pencils. Spiked, whew, don't let me get me started with Spiked. I love Spiked so much, it broke the bank though. But I definitely would say this is a good dupe for Spiked. Brunette is definitely dark. I will run it on my hands so you guys can see Brunette. Let's see. You see how Brunette is right there? It's definitely dark. They have like dark brown, they have like other colors, but I don't like to go too dark on my brow pencils because they're supposed to mimic your hair, and my hair is not that dark because without my turban I have, you know, this blonde going on, so I have to get colors that are a little bit lighter because of the blonde. So I love the brow pencil. I think you guys should get that. So the next thing on my list is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I got the color Medium Dark 36. And when I went to the store to pick it up, I actually did some swatches on my hand, but I'll do another video explaining how going to the store might not be your best bet in demonstrating how it might look, only because store lighting is different from house lighting, and store lighting has this ambiance to it because it wants everything to look nice and shiny, and it wants everything to look new, so it might not reflect the same color as your skin when you're like swatching on your hands, but go with your best bet and hope for the best. But I got Medium Dark 36, and this is the packaging that it came with, the No Filter Concealer, and here is the, let's see, go backwards, Medium Dark 36. So yeah, I use this concealer. I'm gonna show you the video of me actually doing the demonstration for this concealer. I just put it on, you know, under my eyes and, you know, my nose. You know, I don't use foundation, so I just skip that part. I just go straight to the concealer. But I actually really love this concealer. Now, it's creamy enough to mimic, I want to say, what concealer do I like? So it's not like the same consistency as my favorite LA Girl Pro. You know, guys, I use that all the time. I love that concealer so much. It's more creamier. This one has this, like, I guess, if you guys ever use NARS Creamy Radiance Concealer, I feel like it has that consistency. I'm going to swatch it just right here. Ooh, look at me. Look at me. I'm going to swatch it right here. So this was the concealer, and this is the Medium Dark 36. It does not look dark at all, you guys. Look how light it is. Lighter it is compared to my hand. So this is a good, like a highlighting concealer. However, you know, once you put your setting powder on your face, I always say that once you put your setting powder and all that stuff on, it really doesn't necessarily matter because it'll blend in. So that concealer is actually really bomb. I would definitely buy that again for only $6. It's definitely a good buy in regards to wanting a new concealer or just, you know, wanting to try different things. Thumbs up to ColourPop this week. You guys did the damn thing. Moving on. So I went to my local Target. Right here. You know, I stocked up on some goodies. You know, I had to get some goodies from Target because Target sells a lot of makeup. You know, I buy some makeup from Target, I buy some makeup from Ulta. I just buy makeup wherever I'm at. If I'm at Target, I buy makeup. So Target had a 50% off sale for eyelashes and eyelash glue. Guys, I was like jumping up for air because I use eyelash glue all the time. I wear lashes every single day, almost every single day. So I couldn't miss up on that sale. But I happened not to get the lashes because I had so many. I was like, I felt so bad buying more lashes. My favorite glue of all time, you guys know, is this Duo adhesive glue. It's the Ardell Duo adhesive glue, and it's the green one. Yeah, this joint is my jam. Like, I love this glue. Glues, they end up drying out pretty much black. Like, you don't see it anymore, or clear. Let's say they dry out clear. When you're putting them on, though, I can show you a demo right here, a little demo. When you're putting it on, this is how it looks like, the Duo glue. So when you take it out the container, it looks white. And when you put it on the eyelash band, it looks white. But then, if you guys do this method when you do your eyelashes, I have it in my hand or I have it in my tweezer, and I blow it, it turns blue. Once it turns blue, you kind of know that it's getting to where it's getting dry, and then I put it on my lash band because I want it to be tacky. I don't want it to be so dry that it doesn't stick on. You have to have it tacky enough so it can stick on, and then the rest of the drying will pretty much do on your face. So I love the glue. Regularly, the glue is almost $6 depending on where you go. Target had them for like $3.89, which I did not know, so now I'm like kind of mad because I get them from different places. But Target had them for half off, so it ended up being $1.94 for one eyelash glue. So I ended up getting like 10, maybe 15, I don't know. I have a lot, so I have a lot to stock me for myself and my clients, thank God, because glue is expensive. So the next thing that I bought from Target that I know I never really pay attention to things because I'm so in my ways of like, oh, I already used that product, I'm not buying another one, you know, to replace it, because if it's good, you know, and it's not broken, you don't have to fix it. However, I saw this sponge and I said, this is beautiful, I want to try it out. So I bought it. I bought the new Sonia Kashuk makeup blender, latex free, and it's not in here obviously because I have it out. I used it today. I'm gonna show you a video demonstration of this beauty blender when I finish. So this is how it looks like. It is huge once it gets pretty much damp with water. I always dampen my sponges with water because I want it to be like sponge-like. and then I started applying it to the face. But it has this marble design, which is cute. It's white and black, and I never had a sponge that was white and black, so it's really cute. It's really huge though. Comparing it to my Real Technique sponge, and this is dry obviously, but it's very huge compared to this one. So I think that this is a good sponge for under your eyes. It's also a really good sponge for all over your face if you do foundation. Now this sponge retailed for about $7, and I actually really enjoyed this sponge. Like, I was like, okay, this is actually something that I might have to, you know, keep going with. You know how you sit and you like, oh, I love my Real Technique sponge. I'm not giving that up for Lent. I'm not giving that up for nobody. But I had to step aside and say, I want to try something new. And I tried it, and voila, perfect. It definitely worked. It did its thing, and I'm excited. Sonia Kashuk has actually a lot of different sponges, not just this sponge. They have a gray one with the marble design, the gray and white. They have the black one that I have, and they have smaller ones as well. So if you want that smaller one for the under the eyes, like how I'm doing it right now, but with this big ass sponge, you can get the smaller one too. Preferably, I just like the big one because it just gives you more leeway to do things. Not necessarily like limiting yourself with, you have a small sponge, you have to work extra hard. With the bigger sponge, you really don't really have to do a lot, so that's why I opted in for those sponges. And this was the only one that I had saw, and I was like, this is my jam. So my next product is from the same brand, but it's two different products. I think these are my last products that I have to show you guys, because these are the last new products that I have seen at the store. So the next product that I have is by good old Milani, and it is the Milani Make It Dewy Spray. Now they have another one too for this line. It's the Make It Matte, and it's all black. Really beautiful. I was looking for it the other day, and I was like, oh, I forgot that that's what I had actually came to the store for. But Make It Dewy had to stay. So this is a really, really good setting powder. It's very affordable too. It's $9.99. I got it from Target. You can get it at Ulta too. You know, they're probably the same price. I'm pretty sure they are. However, I really like the spray. I'm not going to say it's a dupe for anything yet, only because all setting sprays, in my opinion, kind of do the same thing. They just set your makeup in place. Some are advertised for dewy looks, and some are advertised for matte. So if you do want that dewy look, which I'm going for today, I'm going for a little dewy look, which means that your skin looks a little bit illuminated, and you have that little natural glow to it. It doesn't have like specks of gold or anything in it, but it has that natural, like, ooh, like refreshing glow. Mist setting, like turn it to a mist, you know, the mist setting of the sprinkler. You know, the sprinklers where you have settings on them and you want a mist, not the little, like the harsh arrow, like you just want the mist. Definitely it's definitely a mist setting. So I'm gonna spray it for you guys now so you guys can see it. Shake it up a little bit with the water, you know, have to wake up the mist. And you close your eyes. The smell, unmatched. It smells like a nice, it's not like a perfume. I don't want to say a perfume smell. People get so like, you know, when it comes to perfume smell. But if I spray this on someone's face, I'm pretty sure they'd be like, oh, that smells good, because it actually smells really good. So I love the Make It Dewy Milani spray. It is a go. I thumbs up it. I want to show you guys my last product of this chit chat makeup. What's new, what's good, and what's not, like what's good, is some new Milani lip intensives. So I went to I don't know if I got these at Target or not, I'm not sure, but they said new on them. You see how it says new. So I got a couple of Milani Lip Intense Liquid Color lipsticks. So I got the number 1, number 2, and I have a number 3 here, but I took it out the package, or number 4 here, because I wanted to see it. But there are pretty much liquid lipsticks, and I love how every brand has their own liquid lipstick, because you can't go wrong when it comes to liquid lipstick. They stay on all day, different consistencies, but the main goal for them is, oh, just stay on all day, please, just stay on all day. And you know, you can do a lot with them. So I got the red one, and apparently they have like this glossy tint to it. I have this pink one right here, and let's swatch violet for you. The violet is called Violet Attic. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you can see. Right out. All right. It is clean from the concealer. And that is it swatched. It's nice. Has a nice consistency to it, nice bright color. That lipstick is really, really nice. It's affordable too. I think they range from about either $4 or $5 or $6. I am not sure because I bought it later than the rest of these products that I have today. So it's around that range. But if you guys want any of the products that I have showed you guys today, they're all in the description bar and they're all labeled, all to the link of where I got them or the store that I got them, so you guys can copy some new makeup and get you some, get you some. So that is all for my makeup chit chat for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really quick. I just wanted to show you guys some new products that I've been loving, and definitely recommend all of them. They're really good buys. Definitely something that you should start using every single day if you do makeup, especially like the glues and the brow pencils and the sponges. Nice. Like, go ahead and buy you some of these products, okay? So if you guys want some more makeup review videos or any type of chit chat from me, please thumbs up this video for more. And obviously, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead. I have my Instagram down here, and this is the same for Twitter and any other social sites you might want to connect with me on. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. See you guys in my next one.